India has been well known for its textiles since ancient times, from cotton to wool and silk. India has been a producer of all. Different states in India are famous for its unique prints, textures, and designs. It has grown all throughout the year in different seasons, and today, Birla High School boys would be showcasing the beauty of the creativity of textures of our craftsmen from various states. A fashion statement on its own, silk fabric, which is mostly produced in South India. Our model here is adorning a beautiful Banarasi silk dhoti with a white shirt, a staple outfit of the people to attend festivities in the South, making them look stylish and classy at the same time. Our next model is wearing an outfit correctly representing the Western India. Bandhani, a tie and dye textile decorated by plucking cloth with fingernails to create tiny bindings that form a design. He is wearing a yellow kurta and white pajama along with a bandhani dupatta and a turban famously worn by people from Gujarat and Rajasthan on Navratri night. Our model here is wearing a red Pathani suit, also draping a pashmina shawl famously manufactured in Kashmir, making him look elegant and sophisticated. Chikankari and Fulkari, famous embroidery craft of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab respectively. Our next model is Arang, a fusion attire. He is wearing a chikankari kurta along with Fulkari shawl. This outfit indeed is making him look striking. Khadi, famously known as Gandhi fabric, a cloth usually hand spun and woven from cottons and is only produced in India. Our model here is wearing an attire that is a red kurta and a beach pajama, along with a dupatta very commonly worn by people all over the country. Linen, a sustainable fabric derived from flax plants. In India, Kochi is the leading producer. Here, a model is adoring blue linen Pathani suit along with a silk waistcoat, which is making him look charming indeed. Brocade, smooth, lustrous and a classy fabric which is mostly produced in Banaras. Our model is wearing an enchanting attire that is blue brocade kurta with pajama. This fabric is generally adorned during festival season due to its superior and elegant looks.